Hey everyone, welcome back to Dan Vartek. And today I've got an important tutorial for you. If you're ready to say goodbye to Instagram, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your account step by step. Whether you're taking a break from social media or just want to clean up your online presence, I'm here to help. Let's dive right in and make it happen. Now click on Account Center, select Personal Details. Move on to Account Ownership and Control. Now select Deactivate or Deletion. Click on your Instagram account. For permanent deletion, select the second option. Choose a reason for deleting your account from the provided options and press Continue. Now give your current password. Click on Delete Account, and now, boom, congratulations, your account is permanently deleted. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more from Dan Vartek. See you next time.